days of
tornado warning for the following counties in Florida: Orange and Seminole. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for South Central Seminole County and East Central Florida, Central Orange County and East Central Florida, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Azalea Park, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oviedo, Winter Springs, and Winter Park around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Aloma. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.